Hey family, welcome back to DTI Information Network. It's your boy Deshaun here to talk to you guys more about building out your personal credit to then get business credit. Take advantage of the bank's products like their credit cards that offer reward points and sign-on bonuses that allow you to be able to travel for free. We also like the bank's business products in the form of lines of credit and loans that'll help you be able to buy cash flowing assets to build wealth for you and your family. We hope you like this video and you can take advantage of some of the things that I'm mentioning to you today. All I ask is that you hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more information like this. If that sounds like a go, then we'll go ahead and get into today's video. Also, if you do want more content and more deeper information into some of the things that we're dropping today, we do have a free school group community that we're launching. You can find the description in the link below. Right now, we have about 20 members involved right now. We're going to keep it a very tight. We have about 30 people on the waiting list still trying to get in. I'm letting people in as the courses build. So if you haven't got in yet and you've been waiting, just know that we will let people in shortly. Okay. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video that I'm going to talk about today. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys about my power trifecta in getting American Express credit cards. Okay. In today's video, we're going to go into and specifically the gold card because I believe the gold card is where everybody should start and getting the personal gold card. So that's going to make sure you're going to have to make sure that your personal credit is intact to be able to get this. But your personal gold card is going to open up the doors to you being in the ecosystem and being able to take advantage of all of American Express products and services. They have everything from business credit products like lines of credit. They have a BLOC. We'll talk more about that as well. And their business credit cards have some of the best travel rewards that you're ever going to find. This is how we're able to stay at luxury hotels and be able to get $200 reward points when staying there. So that means when you get there, you're going to be able to get things like free massages, right? You're also going to be able to take advantage of some of their other things. Like when I was in Panama, they'll give you $15 every single month to be able to ride Uber, and that comes in handy. You're going to get other rewards and just so many different rewards, but the sign-on bonuses are huge. Now, the reason why I want you to start with the gold card and the personal gold card is because they have a great sign-on bonus, right? And I'm going to show you guys some of the benefits of the gold card, but they have a really great sign-on bonus. And if you start by going and getting the business credit cards first, then you're going to miss out on some of the sign-on bonuses that you could get with the personal side, okay? And then the other real benefit about that is that if you go and you get the business credit cards and then try to go back and get the personal credit cards, you're going to get hit with two hard inquiries. Now, the way to be able to prevent that is by starting off, and with my sequence that I'm recommending, is starting off by getting the personal gold card. Then all your hard inquiries that you would get are waived. There are no hard inquiries after you get in on the personal side. So start there, okay? Start by getting the personal gold, and then even if you get a business credit card in the future, you will not be hit with a hard inquiry. Now, there's also another little trick that I can let you guys know about, and that is getting the American Express gold card with only one inquiry on your credit report. Now, they typically will pull TransUnion and pull Experian, right? So first, what you're going to do is get the pre-approval. They have something called the Apply with Confidence tool when you go on to the website to be able to apply for the American Express. Now, the American Express will allow you to go all the way with the pre-approval. Once you see that you're pre-approved, it'll be in blue. Once you're pre-approved, then what I want you to go do is make sure you have a transunion.com account set up. So you're going to go on to TransUnion, make sure you have an account set up, and then I want you to freeze that account, okay? Because that will allow them to only pull from Experian. You'll still get approved if you were already pre-approved, then you're only going to get pulled from Experian. And so Experian will be the thing that shows your hard inquiry on your credit report. Very important to know. Now, then after you get that approval, you are in the American Express ecosystem, and it is a beautiful ecosystem to have. I'm going to be going deep and showing you guys all the things that I love about this system and all the different perks that you're going to get while being an American Express member. Now, I'm going to show you guys this right now in this next part of the video, but just remember this one little tip also. They are really tricky, so they will look at where you are located in geographical sense. So say for instance, someone's located in Mississippi, right? You're going to want to do something like get a VPN, right? And the VPN is going to disguise whatever location you're at. So if you're in a low income zip code, then you're going to want to put yourself in, say, Los Angeles, California, in a higher income area. That will give you better sign on bonuses when you go to apply for the specific cards that you're looking for. You'll notice that they do this on their site specific. So they're going to be looking to see where you're at, and what general area you're at will be what they determine what kind of sign on bonus you get. I know it's not fair. I know we don't like it, but it is the system. So if you want to be able to play the game, you got to know the rules of the game. And this is a way to be able to prevent yourself from getting low sign-on bonuses and low credit limits when you get approved. All right. So they can also be a little tricky about the sign-on bonuses, as I was mentioning. Now, they have limits that go all the way up to 250,000 points. Now, these are something called membership reward points. That's what American Express uses for their points. It's called membership reward points. Now, they go up really, really high. Now, now the other thing you want to make sure you do is you go to certain sites to be able to look at what's being offered out there for your sign-on bonuses. So first thing I want you to do is clear the cookies that is on your computer. Okay, clear the cookies, go into incognito mode. There's 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. Click on those, go into incognito mode, also clear your cookies. Then you can go to sites like Resi. You can go to sites like uscreditcardguide.com, and you can look at what offers there are out there. Sometimes, even if you know someone who has an American Express card, they get special offers that they can actually release to you as well. So that's just a couple little tips to be able to get you in. In this next part of the video, I'm going to go into, we're going to look at some of the rewards for the gold card. All right, so stick with me. Okay, family, so thank you for joining me back. Here we're looking at the American Express Gold Card right now, and I'm going to go into showing you what we like about the American Express Gold. Look here, guys. Right now, they have a special welcome offer of 90,000 membership reward points. All you have to do is spend $6,000 within 6 months. That is a really easy bonus to be able to hit. You only has an annual fee of $250. Now, with 90,000 reward points, you're going to be able to take some serious trips wherever you want to be able to travel. You're also going to be able to have something left over for hotels as well. If you want to hear about some of those ways that you can utilize these points, please just report that inside of the comments of this video so that I can make sure that I know that the need and the demand is out there for me to be able to do so. I want to be able to give you guys as much value as possible. So if you find value in knowing how to be able to use your reward points, all I ask is that you leave a comment and kind of let me know, because I love to travel and I love to be able to use my points to be able to travel to different places and stay at really nice luxury hotels. And the great thing about American Express is they offer some of the best and largest amounts of points that you can actually use to transfer into different airlines at higher redemption amounts. So instead of using it 1-to-1, there's times when you can use it and get 3 times the amount, 6 times the amount. There's been word that some people have even gotten 18 times the amount, depending on what airline you want to be able to travel to. And sometimes there's special offers that you can utilize these points to be able to stay at hotels that are looking to lure people in, and they give you even more redemption amounts. So American Express is a great tool for being able to take advantage of their points for travel. This particular card, though, I want to tell you what's really good about the gold card and why you should have this in your wallet. For people who like to go out and eat at restaurants, you must have this inside of your wallet. This is they give you 4x the points worldwide at restaurants. So whenever you're at a restaurant, I want you to use this gold card. Slam this gold card down. Matter of fact, speaking of slam that like button, because I'm dropping mad gems for you guys right now. Hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep dropping some gems on you. The other thing you're going to want to know is that the gold card will give you 4x the amount of points on groceries and supermarkets. So supermarkets and on your groceries. That's another big one. So whenever you're going out grocery shopping, you don't need to use any other card but this card right here. And that is your gold card. So make sure you use that gold card. The next one is, now this is a pretty conservative one, but it's still really good. You can get 3x the amount of points when you're booking for flights, right? Now but you have to be able to, they have to be booked directly with the airlines or with AmexTravel.com. I have a better one for you guys in the coming videos, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the ones that I use for travel. But right now, I want you guys to know that 4x for restaurants, for eating out, 4x on groceries. Okay, that is the Dandada. That is the big one for this in our sequence, in our power sequence. If you want to hear more about our power sequence, hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we have another one dropping. I'm going to be dropping these all week, at one every single day. I'm going to be giving this information to you, and I'm going to be telling you everything I like about being in the American Express ecosystem. All right, so that is what we're going to start with, and I gave you some of the reasons why we start with this. We start with this also because we love the $120 dining credit that you're going to get. Okay, you're going to get $120 of Uber Cash. They give you $10 per month using the gold card. And then they're also going to give you $100 for the hotel collection, which is something else that is really nice and beneficial for you. All right, they have no foreign transaction fees, and they also have more ways for you to be able to pay. The other thing I want to tell you guys about the American Express and that I love so much is they have something called the split. What is it? Split. What is it called? Hold on one second. All right, sorry about that. It's called the send and split. That's what it's called. Sorry about that. Wow. Okay, send and split. And basically what this is that if you have a Venmo account or a PayPal account, you can take like up to $2,000 to $4,000 off of your credit card and be able to send it to people if you want off of your credit card. That with no fee. That's really great. So let's just say you have you have a PayPal account and you want to be able to send money. I like to do it because I have employees that I want to send money to. So I can take the money off of my gold card and send them the money for the month of what they were working on for me. So that is a great, great tool that the gold card offers. So it's called Send and Split. You basically just go into your American Express portal area, and then at the end, you can be able to click on that and make sure you tie in your Venmo and PayPal account to it. You can use either one that you want to be able to use. Anyways, just wanted to drop that with you guys. Hope you guys like this video. I'll talk to you guys more about the American Express things that we have coming up later in the video. Peace. Okay, family, so I hope that part of it was really valuable for you. I have more to come, all right? Know this one thing, that with American Express, you can get 10 charge cards and 4 credit cards. Now, the difference between a charge card and a credit card is that a charge card, you will have to be able to pay that money back every single month, right? Without carrying a balance. With the credit cards, you can actually carry a balance. Very important to know. The good thing about the charge card is that there's no preset limit that will be reported on your credit report. So if you get one, there's not going to be a credit limit showing on your credit report. Now, on a personal card, it will, right? And so the gold card is an actual charge card, not the credit card. It's an American Express charge card. So you will need to pay that back in full. All right. Just wanted to make sure you understood that. American Express is a little different, and we're going to go into more about American Express. So if you want to hear more about what I have to say about American Express, I highly recommend you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then if you want to learn how to qualify for these particular cards, we do have a free school group community where we're going to have courses and more information in there to be able to help you. All you have to do right now is click on the description in the description below. Is SKOOL. It's school. So click on the school group community. I will let you guys in for free right now. And you can also be around other like-minded individuals inside of our community. Everybody helping each other build and grow our business and personal credit and buy assets that cash flow. That is the goal. That's what we want for this community, and that's what we want for everybody out there. So thank you guys once again for joining me right now, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Peace.